Hi, I'm Tanisha and I'm a gas engineer for Mears. Today we're going to talk about a few checks that you can do on your central heating system if it's not working. The first thing you need to do is check if you're on a prepaid or a post-paid meter. If you're on a prepaid meter, please make sure you have enough credit on your meter. If you're on a post-paid meter and you have no gas, please contact your provider. Let's look at the checks that you can make. This is an example of a post-paid meter. Before you call the repairs line, please make sure that the handle is in the upright position, allowing gas to flow through the meter and into your property. Some gas meters will be found inside your property and sometimes they are outside. But either way, the handle should always be in the upright position. The next thing you'd need to check is your boiler pressure. This is your pressure gauge. Your pressure gauge is normally on the front, sometimes underneath or sometimes on the side of the boiler. The pressure should be between 1 and 2. Not all boilers will have a pressure gauge. Some boilers are digital and the pressure will be displayed in bar. That's what pressure is measured in. Some boilers you can top up the pressure yourself using one of these. This is called an external filling loop. All you need to do is slowly move the black levers in the downward position, allowing water to flow through the pipes. Please keep your eye on the gauge. When the gauge is between the 1 and the 2, turn the levers off. Sometimes you just may need to reset your boiler. This button is normally found on the front of the boiler. Sometimes your boiler might develop a fault internally. Most boilers nowadays have digital display screens, so it will either tell us an F code or an S code. Either way, if you call up the repairs line and tell us these codes, we can have a rough idea of what parts to bring and what the issue may be. Some models may not have a digital display screen. In that case, the boiler will have a flashing light sequence as shown here. Please check all of your radiator valves are open. You can open them by turning them anti-clockwise between 1 and 5, 1 obviously being minimum, 5 being maximum. If you turn on your heating and you find that your radiator is colder at the top and hotter at the bottom, this could be because there's air in there and they may need bleeding. So to bleed your radiators, you're going to need 2 things, a radiator key and a cloth. First thing you need to do is find the bleed point on the radiator. Most radiators, this will be a little square. Put the key on the square and turn anti-clockwise to release any air. Once you hear all the air come out, keep the cloth underneath the bleed point until water starts to appear. When the water starts to appear, turn the key in the other direction to tighten up the bleed point. The next bit, now this is important, is to make sure you put the pressure back up on the boiler between 1 and 2. Please also check your programmer and timer. Please make sure that the thermostat is turned up. If the thermostat temperature isn't high enough, the boiler will not fire. Hope you found this video useful. For more information, please check out our website.